Hello everyone, myself Sumangala Biradar. Today I am going to explain you about how to install the JDK. So for that, first you open any one of the browser and type Java JDK. When you type Java JDK, you will get this different types of the options. Among all these options, you select Java SC downloads. So when you click on that particular link, it opens this web page. So here also you'll get the different versions of the Java SE 14, 11 like this. Based on your Windows compatibility, you select any one version. So now, for example, if you are having the Windows 10, anyhow, all are having the Windows 10. I hope so. So now for that, better you go for the installation of Java SC 14. It supports and it is the latest version. To download this one, click on this JDK download. Then it opens this web page. Scroll down. So here you select Windows 64.exe and click on this. And here you check out this I received and accept the Oracle technology. And next click download JDK. So it asks where to save this .exe file. Select any one path. After that, it starts downloading. Once downloading completed, after completion of the download, you click on that file, .exe file. Then it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. So I already installed, that's why it's asking a reinstall. But don't worry, you'll get this one directly. Development Kit installer. So after that, you'll get this wizard. Click on this next. So here it asks to where you want to install your Java. It is your default path. If you want to change in D drive or E drive, then you go to the change and here you change your path. So I am storing in the C drive only. Then you click just next. Wait for installation. So after completion, just you close it. To check that whether it is installed or not, you open command prompt, type cmd and open your command prompt. Here you just type Java. So if it is installed, then you will get this information. Meaning of this one is what? Yes, you have installed your Java successfully. So after installation, you have to set the path. For setting that path, you have to go for the change the environment variables, system environment variables. For that, you click here env. So you'll get the option as the edit system environment variable. In case if you are not getting, so you go and check for the control panel. Inside the control panel, you'll get the system security. Inside that system security, you'll get the advanced settings. There you click on that advanced settings, then it opens this one. Here you click environment variables, and here go to the system variables part. and here you check for the path. So select this path and edit. Then you'll get this one. Here you click on new. So after that you go to the folder. Check where your this one is installed. I installed in a C no. So that's why C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin. And when it opens, you copy this path and you go to the new, and here you type that particular path here. I already typed that one, that's why I'm not typing here, but you have to type and you have to paste it, and after pasting that you click on this OK, OK and OK. That's it. Now your Java is installed and it is ready to execute here. And one thing you remember, in Windows 10 it doesn't support the EDT. So that's why you go and write your program in a notepad. Open your notepad and here you type the program, and after that you save this file. As I told earlier, what is your program class name? This is your one of the program, lab program, exception demo. This is to trying to divide your number by 0. If you try to divide any number by 0, is it possible? Not possible. Then it shows the exceptional cases. So now for that only, this is the program, and class name is what here? Exception demo. You have to type as it is, and dot java, and I am storing that one in the desktop only. Here you select all files, save it. I already saved, that's why it's asking that one. After saving that, you go to your command prompt. Here you have to, where you stored your file? In the desktop. Yes, that's why here you have to in the path cd desktop. So now you compile the program Java C, and what is my program? That is the exception demo dot java C, and give the file name. I'll check once again whether the file name is same or not. exe. Wait a minute. exceptindamo Java, and enter. See, it is compiled. So after compilation, if it doesn't show any error, then what is the next step? You have to run it for the Java, and you type what? Exception demo. Sorry, somewhere I done the mistake. Okay, now it's showing that as what? Class not found. So for that, if you get this error, then you set class path equal to, and this where your program is stored. Actually, your program is stored where? Let's see where actually I stored. Here in the desktop. I'll go to the properties and I'll copy this path, control copy, and here I'll type that one. Okay, so now you run the program Java, and what is that? Sorry, exception. Once again, it's showing the same thing, no? Why it is showing like this? Let me check. Java C drive, it is correct. No, then why it is showing like this? Wait a minute. Set class path. Whether it is created dot class file or not. Okay, it is not created. I just created here. Then you type this. I done the mistake here. I entered extra white space. No, that's why it does not. So now you have to type set class path and enter the value. I'll take this one as a 4 divided by A value as a 4 and E as a 2. Then value of this one 4 divided by 2 is what? It is 2. Okay. Yes, this is your output. I hope you got this concept.